All right, welcome to this explainer. Today we're cutting right through the noise to unpack a genuinely powerful framework. We're looking at how evidence-based nutrition can be targeted to literally every single stage of your life. So, if you want to know exactly how to optimize your plate without falling for the latest fads, well, you are in exactly the right place. Let's dive in.
What if one meal could improve your health? I mean, really think about that for a second. It sounds almost too simple, doesn't it? But look, we aren't talking about magic pills or some crazy overnight transformation here. We're talking about the incredible cumulative power of intentional daily choices. And that starts with the very next time you sit down to eat.
The foundational philosophy we're building on today is super simple. The right food can change your life. And hey, this isn't just some catchy social media slogan, it's an evidence-backed biological fact. We're looking at a holistic approach that impacts literally everything, from how much energy you have at 3 p.m. to your long-term disease prevention. And it all relies purely on biological facts, no exaggeration needed.
So here is our roadmap for today. We'll be covering, number 1, the power of food, 2, fueling athletic performance, 3, nutrition for a healthy pregnancy, 4, managing health and weight, and finally, number 5, nutrition for the family.
Okay, moving right into section 1, the power of food and science-based habits.
What's really fascinating here is the sheer breadth of this nutrition model. Whether you're focusing on high-protein meals, making sure you get essential vitamins and minerals, or just looking for generally healthy recipes, there's one absolute non-negotiable anchor, and that is scientific evidence. There are no fad diets here, no miracle cures. It's just actual real-world data translated directly onto your plate. It works harmoniously with human biology and really sets the stage for everything else we do.
Shifting gears a bit, let's hit section 2, fueling athletic performance, focusing on strength and power.
Want more energy and faster muscle recovery? For high-performance athletes, or really anyone who trains hard, you simply cannot out-train a poor diet. It's all about precision. Start eating these specific foods to get that highly targeted fuel. You need high-quality protein, like eggs, for muscle repair. You want long-lasting energy? Go for complex carbs, like oats. Salmon is absolutely incredible because it's rich in omega-3s for recovery. Don't forget Greek yogurt for that amazing combo of protein and calcium. And of course, grab bananas for quick, natural energy hits and potassium right before you train. It's literally about designing your meals to actively build strength.
All right, section 3, nutrition for a healthy pregnancy, nurturing life. Pregnancy nutrition is amazing because it requires tailored, healthy meals designed to support 2 lives simultaneously, right? The expecting mother and the developing baby. This is such a critical window. Relying strictly on evidence-based choices here ensures maximum safety and optimal development. It's really about securing the precise micronutrients needed to nurture new life, all while keeping the mother strong and healthy throughout that entire journey. Let's dive into section 4, managing health and weight through simple food choices. So whether your goal is weight loss to improve vital biomarkers, or maybe you're on the other side and you're safely gaining weight and muscle mass, guess what? The underlying mechanism is exactly the same, science-backed nutrition. It is never ever about starvation or unhealthy binging. It's about making calculated, healthy adjustments to your daily intake to naturally tip the scales toward your specific personal health goal. And this targeted approach extends directly into specific medical management too. For instance, for someone managing diabetes, tailored meals are actively utilized to stabilize blood sugar. Or for cardiovascular patients, specific diets actually become a primary tool for better overall heart health management. Again, we aren't talking about magical cures here. We're talking about using food as an evidence-based, frontline defense for serious health conditions. It's pretty amazing when you think about it. Bringing it all together, section 5. Nutrition for the family, healthy nutrition for everyone. A unified approach to healthy eating can completely transform a household. Think about it. You can cater to the energetic, rapid developmental growth of a child and the protective, maintenance nutritional needs of an older adult, all at the exact same dinner table. Sure, portion sizes might adapt, maybe specific textures change a bit, but those foundational, healthy ingredients, they remain wonderfully consistent for the whole family. Okay, so how do we actually put this into practice today? Building these habits comes down to 4 straightforward science-backed steps. Step 1, prioritize fresh fruits and vegetables. Step 2, swap in whole grains. Step 3, secure those lean proteins. And Step 4, keep your drinks healthy. It sounds brilliantly simple, but honestly, this is the exact nutritional formula that powers everything from elite athletes to healthy aging.
The science is clear, the strategies are proven, and the benefits span every single stage of human life. So I want to leave you with this final thought. How will you implement these ideas today? Remember, your next meal isn't just a break in the day, it is a literal opportunity to actively change your life and transform your health. Choose well. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and we'll see you next time.